Right along Vietnam's central coastline lies one of its most popular and visually striking cities, Da Nang. On one side, you have high rise buildings and a fast growing modern skyline, and on the other, a laid back tropical rhythm, long beaches, ocean views, and a pace that feels unhurried. In our video, we are going to show you some really cool things: fire breathing bridges, super reasonable star accommodation, hidden bars, fantastic local shopping spots, and lots more. So, if you are planning a trip to Vietnam, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. We arrived in Da Nang from Hue on a 3-hour train journey that's easily one of the most scenic routes in the country. The coastline slowly unfolds beside you, making the journey just as memorable as the destination. Of course, if you're traveling on a tighter schedule, Da Nang is also well connected with its own international airport. Da Nang has quite a bit of history behind it. It was the Champa Kingdom in the 2nd century and then later became a French trading port and was even used as a major base during the Vietnam War. The city is a year-round destination. We visited in May when we got some sunshine and also some rains. Looking at the majestic dark clouds over the ocean was a sublime feeling and a sight to behold. Well, our first impressions of the city were simple: clean, coastal, and incredibly easy to navigate. Getting around here is effortless. We rented a scooter directly from our hotel, which is something you'll find almost everywhere in Da Nang. And honestly, it's the best way to explore the city at your own pace. So overall, Da Nang is quite an affordable city, and you can get hotels for under 20 to 40 US dollars per night. We were shocked to find that our gorgeous stay right at Mai Khai Beach cost us under 20 US dollars. The place was amazing to just relax and also to work. The hotel also had a beautiful rooftop pool where we spent quite some time. As the sun sets, Da Nang begins to transform. We decided to take our scooter and hit the iconic Dragon Bridge, one of the city's most recognizable landmarks. Every weekend at about 9 p.m., the bridge comes alive with a fire and water show, drawing in huge crowds from across the city. It's busy, energetic, and very much a part of the Da Nang experience. Da Nang is known for its beach clubs, and we definitely wanted to experience that side of the city. So, we spent few lazy afternoons and evenings enjoying our time in some of the popular clubs with great music, good cocktails, and that perfect mix of relaxed yet lively vibe right by the sea.
First beach fights. Cheers.
Last night I sat down there.
Sending.
Oh, and one evening, as we were checking out some more places, we stumbled upon something unimaginable. What looked like just a small banh mi stall from the outside actually was a hidden bar. We walked in, not really knowing what to expect, and suddenly found ourselves inside a super cozy looking cocktail bar. We had a lot of fun in that hidden bar, and it became a memory we will always cherish. But what makes Da Nang interesting is this contrast it offers. On one side, you have these beautiful beach clubs and happening nightlife, and on the other, just a few streets away, you're right in the middle of local life. Small food stalls, busy markets, and some of the most authentic food you'll find here. The night market in Da Nang is popular amongst visitors to just walk around, get a massage, shop, eat, and enjoy the brilliance of this tropical paradise. One evening, as we walked around the night market, we craved something simple to eat. So, we stopped at a cute restaurant for a bowl of hot pho. If you are in Vietnam, do have this warm, comforting bowl of goodness for sure. There was something about the night air of Da Nang, soft, humid, and full of life. Somewhere between the streets and the sea, we just let the night take its own course. During the day, we made our way to the Lady Buddha statue. This statue is 67 meters tall and represents peace, compassion, and protection. Perching high over the coastline, Lady Buddha is one of the most significant landmarks in the area. We also explored the Han Market, a busy local market that gives you a glimpse into everyday life here. From clothing and souvenirs to local goods, it's a great place to shop, especially if you're comfortable bargaining a little. This is the place where locals shop too, and that is why you can get quality goods at a reasonable price. Another very popular day trips from Da Nang is Bana Hills. About 40 kilometers from the city, it almost feels like you've stepped into a completely different world. What was once a French hill station is now this hilltop complex with European-style streets, gardens, a castle-like structure, and even an amusement park. You can reach Bana Hills through a cable car, and this is a separate attraction in itself. One of the main attractions of Bana Hills is the Golden Bridge, which is a 150-meter long pedestrian bridge. It is situated 1400 meters above sea level and offers spectacular mountain views, giving it a heavenly or surreal look. So, when you plan a trip to Da Nang, make sure to take out a day for Bana Hills. During our time in Da Nang, we learned something interesting. This city is actually becoming quite well known for affordable dental care. A lot of travelers and expats come here for long-term stay and sometimes even months. They plan their dental treatments because it's significantly more affordable compared to back home. We got a chance to speak with a few clinicians here, which gave us better insights into how this has quietly become a growing trend in the city. In Vietnam, some moments though aren't planned at all. Like walking into a local salon and getting a haircut, just because we want to. No research, no expectations, just going with the flow of the city. And the results were quite pleasing. Da Nang isn't just about its landmarks or its coastline, it's about the balance it offers. Between calm and energy, between planned experiences and spontaneous moments. And somewhere in between all of that is where the city really stays with you. If you are visiting Vietnam, don't forget to check out Da Nang, this coastal paradise. Loved our video? Keep watching for more Vietnam stories and lots of local travel content.